Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can turn on voice isolation on iPhone. So particularly this is a function which allows you to isolate a voice when you are on a call with anyone. In order to turn on voice isolation on iPhone, you'll have to call someone. So let's say I have selected this particular person to call. So once you have started calling that particular person, what you can do is swipe down your mobile screen and tap on mic mode standard, and there you can see the option called voice isolation. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you are good to go. And that's all guys, this is how easily you can turn on voice isolation on iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.